What's up guys, I'm Yaken here, hosting for another trend ground video. Okay, so today we are going to unbox something really special. Okay, it's actually the brand new GoPro Hero 10 Black. Okay, yes, this thing has just only recently launched. Okay, if you want to know more details on this device, go to Trendground's website and read the article about it. Okay, we have all the pricing, availability as well. Okay, so because this is an unboxing video, so we don't waste our time. Okay folks, so before we are going over to the unboxing, let's check out the packaging. Okay, so something worth noting about the packaging for the Hero 10 Black is this time, because GoPro, like other brands, is focusing on sustainability. Therefore, this year the packaging will use lesser plastics. Okay, hence you can see the overall packaging does not really contain any plastics that much. Okay, we will open it later on and see the inside, but for now just check out the packaging. So very simple, you get to see the GoPro logo, Hypersmooth 4.0, the 10, 4 highlights. Okay, and it shows here on the right side what you're actually getting. All right, GoPro camera itself, battery, blah blah, and a case. All right, so over on the back you get some promotional advertisement on their quick app and the cloud storage saving capability. Okay, but you do need to have the GoPro subscription. Okay, so on the left side of the box, yeah, basically it just tells you most of the main features for the 10. Okay, and over at the bottom, basically it just shows you the serial number and all the QR codes and so on. Okay, so let's proceed to opening this thing up. So as you can see, it's still sealed over here. Okay, might make a little bit messy on the opening the tab, but nonetheless, here we go. Okay, this is it, the GoPro Hero 10. But I have to unzip this thing right now. Here you go. Okay, so let's see what is available here on the hidden pocket here. Okay, basically it just tells you, okay, download the quick app here, guides. Nope, I don't want the guides. And yep, so when you open the packaging first, they will greet you to update the software first. Okay, yes, because it brings some new features for you. Okay, basically just a quick reminder for you guys, those that is still new to the GoPro, you need to update the software. Okay, so let's remove the paperwork and focus on to the product itself. Okay, so as you can see, this is the GoPro. Okay, we will check the accessories later. Okay, so for now, let's unwrap this thing first. Okay, so let's see whether can we just pull this thing out. Yep, we can. All right. Alright guys, so here is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Yep. Okay, I still haven't put in the battery, but we just go through the overall camera looks. Okay, so this here, as you can see, the blue color logo is more apparent right now, and also at the side as well. Okay, so you have the blue marking. Okay, basically it's largely quite similar to the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, there's not really much of a size difference over here. Okay, but it does feel solid. And I have here is the my GoPro Hero 7. Okay, so as you can see, the size is slightly bigger. I wouldn't say it's like a huge difference. Okay, so we are going to check out the other accessories included in this box. Okay, when you purchase it, so you get the type C to type A. All right, I'll just put here first, and you get this curved stand here. Okay, so you can stick onto your helmet, your mud guard or something. Okay, very nice. Okay, and then you got the battery. Okay, so it's using the similar battery to the GoPro Hero 9. So any accessories you have bought from the GoPro Hero 9, you can put it on the Hero 10. Nice. Okay, so last but not least, it's the connecting to the GoPro itself. Okay, yeah, basically that's it. So I've done the software update and the startup for this GoPro Hero 10 here, and I'm going to let you guys see the startup for the first time. Okay, so as you can see, Hero 10 logo, and it will show you everything because the battery is kind of low. Okay, just a quick preview for you guys on the stuffs and so on. So as you can see, you can go for time lapse, you can change everything here. Okay, it's really quick. Look at that, it's really quick. My first impression for this thing is really quick. Okay, for the photos and video shots, I'm gonna do it on the next day. Okay, and you have a look. Alright guys, so I'm actually currently shooting with the GoPro HERO10 Black 5.3K in natural color tones. Okay, hyper smooth in high. Yeah, so this is the video and the audio quality. Alright guys, so I'm still shooting in 5.3K 30 frames per second. This time the color mode is vibrant. Let me know how is the colors look like this time. Alright guys, so I'm currently shooting in the 5.3K 30 frames per second. This time this color mode I'm setting on the flat profile. So what do you think? Alright guys, so I'm testing the horizon leveling. Okay, so as you can see, I'm shifting. Yeah. Alright folks, so that's the photos and videos captured with the GoPro Hero 10 Black. My first impression on the camera, if you're using like the GoPro Hero 7 or below, you do feel this new 10 Black is a little bit heavier. But then this time, because it doesn't need the cage anymore, especially starting from the 9 series, so yeah, I do feel it's quite nice this time. It really feels nice if you haven't really tried out the 9 series. But if you straight away right now get the 10, I think it will provide you a significant upgrade. Partially thanks to the new GP2 processor, because I do notice like the photos and video qualities are much improved this time. Okay, but this is just my first impression. I still need to do a full review on this guy here. The full review will be coming up maybe in a 2 to 3 weeks time period. Uh, and make sure to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. So we are going to sign off for this video. Really positive note with this one. Gonna try out more footages for you guys to watch, and we are ending over here. Okay, guys. So if you still, once again, if you still new, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.